Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel Facebook estimated ad recall. Facebook www.com business about the estimated ad recall left people metric beta business help. Estimated ad recall left people meta business help center. About the estimated ad recall left people metric help center. View estimated ad recall left people reporting in ads manager. Troubleshoot awareness objective ads. Meta business help center. Facebook estimated ad recall left complete guide. Metric labs estimated ad recall left people Facebook metrics. Facebook www fast website about the estimated Facebook redirect call about the estimated www.facebook.com business help center overestimated ad recall left people metric is available for ads using the page post engagement objective the video view objective and the ad recall left performance goal within the brand awareness objective learn how to see your reporting the estimated ad recall left people metric shows how many people we estimated would remember seeing your ad if you asked them within 2 days. Behavior polling. We use machine learning to project the result of a full ad recall survey from our data for the approximate metric. Estimated ad recall left. Notes a brand lift test is required for. Read, learn more. View estimated recall of people reporting. Find out of your brand awareness campaign performance. Troubleshoot the brand awareness objective. Awareness create result. Troubleshoot. Tool goals. Business type. Industries inspire skill and training. Guides and rescues. Business help center. Website. People also ask estimated recall about the estimated recall. People metric help center. View estimated ad recall. Left people reporting and ads manager. Facebook www.com ads manager website.com redirect call troubleshooter awareness objectives and meta business help center insta page what is the recall left should you focus on this metric estimated ad recall left search ad 3060 help about the estimated ad recall left people metric meta what is the ad read left metric YouTube Facebook. What is the hack is Facebook ad recall left YouTube. Top the 6 Facebook ad metrics and other 3. Take care मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ओके बाय